How to create a poll on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily create a poll on your Viber. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Whether you want to question your friends about their favorite movies, or it could be about their favorite foods, adding a poll to your group chat can be an effective way to get everyone's views and opinions. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do exactly that. So the first thing you need to do is open up the group chat where you want to create a poll. You have to note that you cannot create a poll to a personal DM. It will have to be a group chat. So just open it up, and then on the left side of your screen besides your text, you will find the plus icon. Just tap on this one, and now you'll have multiple options here. You can choose photos from your gallery, click a picture from your camera, send a contact detail, send your live location, add a file, and then finally poll. Just tap on poll and you can ask a question. So for example, if I'm going to ask your favorite movie like this, and you can add options. So go ahead and add your options. So I'm just going to add Interstellar on the first one. And on the second one, I'm just going to add Inception. And you can add multiple options. Just keep tapping on the plus icon and you should be able to add different options. So just tap on create. Now your group members will be notified and they can choose their votes. So go ahead and tap on the heart icon right besides the option to vote. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.